This is a grouped frequency distribution and that the value of the mode is 54. Substitute this into the formula for the mode and rearrange and solve for x. The given mode 54 lies in the class 45 to 60. That means the model class is 45 to 60. So the lower limit of the model class L is 45 and the width of the model class H is 15. The model class is 45 to 60. The frequency of the model class is 16. We take it as F1. F0 and F2 are the frequencies of the preceding class and the class next to the model class. Substitute the value of the given mode 54 and the values of L, F1, F0 and F2 and H into the formula. Solve for x.